just a quick video to show you how simple making your own Christmas tree decorations with resin can be. So I'm going to be using the apexresin. If you want any of this, get over to apexresin.co.uk, use my discount code CCUK. Going to be using these two molds and shapes molds and these baubles that I got from Amazon. And it's going to be as simple as this. I'm going to add some foils, and I haven't used these in these molds before, but I think they look rather festive and they'll give us a bit of a Christmassy look. And I want quite a bit in here. And I'm going to mix the silver and the gold if I can. But look at that, it's already sticking. So there's not going to be much silver, but I'm going to be adding a bit of glitter as well to this. So let's add the gold. And what happens with this is it breaks down as you mix it. And these were just some cheap ones from Temu. And I wish I'd have got some better ones looking at it now. So there's going to be more gold than silver, but I'm going to adjust that balance a little bit when I add the glitter. I could add some copper, but I'm not going to. And this is 400 ml of resin. I think this will be enough. And this is just a quick fun video. I was pouring anyway, so I thought I'd bring you along for the journey. Come on, off you come. Oh, there we go. Do I add some copper as well? Why not? It is Christmas, and I think it'd still look pretty cool. Let's add some copper. Not as much copper, just that. There we go. So that's going to break down as soon as I start stirring it around. Then I'm just going to add a tiny bit of the holographic laser glitter. I get this from Resiners. Now for this technique, I'm probably going to just put 1 scoop of each in. And this is 400 ml of resin. But I'm hoping that'll just be enough to give us something else in this clear resin. And the biggest thing I don't want here is bubbles, which I shouldn't get because this apexresin is amazing stuff. And there we go, that's it. I could add a little bit of green in there as well, but I don't think I want to for this. And then I'm just going to mix it all around. As you're mixing the resin round, the foils will break up and hopefully turn into tiny little pieces of foil. There we go, you can just start to see those breaking up now. And that's all I'm going to do. Then I'm going to pour it into these molds. Then we're going to cure it. Then we're going to see what we've got. And it's as simple as that. You don't have to make your resin work complex. It can be as simple as adding 2 or 3 different things like this. And these are going to be mainly transparent, just with those glitters and those bits of foils coming through. And I don't want too much in there, just a bit, so that hopefully when you've got them on your tree, the sparkle will reflect from your lights, your fairy lights, or whatever it is you're doing. So here we go. Now it's as simple as pouring. And hopefully we're going to get some great pieces. And in we go. Now let them cure. We're going to come back tomorrow and demold. Simple as that. So here we go, guys. The next day, just got back from work. Time to demold these beauties. So let's do a few of these at once, otherwise it'll be a long demold. And the whole point of this was to show you how simple resin art can be to create some beautiful Christmas tree decorations ready for your Christmas trees. So let's get these out. And this is really a speed demold. So here we go. So let's have a look at these. And these are just beautiful. Look at that. Just imagine them on a tree with all of those lights sparkling back with the holographic glitter and those little flakes. So absolutely, they've turned out perfect. Not a single bubble in them either, which I'm really happy about. So there's those 6. I think that one's probably my favourite. So there's that one. Hopefully these angels have worked as well. Here we go. Beautiful. Same technique, and that druzy wing really sets it off as well. So there's one. Let's get the others out. Again, if you get any little bits like that, just demold them, you know. See? Peel them off. There you go. Beautiful. So this is, again, those angels. So we've had 6 baubles, 6 angels, all from 400 ml resin as well. Same technique, just poured in. And I think they're coming out stunning. And then don't forget, we've still got the gonks to go. So do me a favor, guys, if you're watching this, like and subscribe to the channel. There'll be plenty more tutorials coming up over Christmas. Not just Christmas decorations, but lots of other projects. And look back through the catalogue of videos. There's around about 300, I think, on the channel now. All slightly different, and I love that. Look at these gonks. It's come out with a slightly matte effect in the lines, and then a beautiful shine on the rest. So I think they're really cool. And again, they should all come out the same. But again, just to show you, here we go. And another. Beautiful. And again, just as I say, do me a favor, like and subscribe to the channel. It makes the world of difference, keeps me motivated to keep making this content for you guys to hopefully watch, and then we all learn and grow together, because that is the plan. So here we go. So we've got beautiful gonks, we've got beautiful angels, and we've got beautiful baubles. So again, let me know what your favorite is, and I'll see you guys on the next video. And have a great Christmas if you don't watch one of my videos beforehand.